Hazrat Abu Maimar narrates that he heard Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught me tashahud in this way, as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would teach a Quranic chapter, whereas my hand was between his hands. All oral adorations and physical as well as financial acts of worship are due to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, salutation be upon you as well as Allah's blessings and mercies. Salutation be upon us and on the upright bondsmen of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as well. I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I also bear witness that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his bondsman and apostle, as he was then present amongst us. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, we started saying, Salutation be upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6265.